Everyone has been asking me for a stock with explosive upside, and in today's video I have a tiny Nasdaq listed penny stock that is trading at just $1 but has a $125 price target. The last time I talked about this particular penny stock, it rallied up over 100% in just 3 days. These types of stocks are not that easy to find, but this stock has a history of going parabolic on great catalysts, and this might be about to happen once again. But before we get into the video, if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs nothing, but it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 1,000 likes on this video. Help me achieve that goal. For anyone that's new, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get straight into it. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about BNZI International. This stock is trading on Nasdaq, ticker symbol BNZI. Now this is a stock that I have talked about on the channel once before. Back in January, I reviewed BNZI stock at only $1.27. The stock ran up over 100% within a few days. Of course, that was really great timing because the stock was trading at its 52-week low and was due to rally up. But here we are again now, because there's a lot of exciting things going on with this company lately, and this is definitely a stock to have on your watch list right now. The stock is trading near its 52-week low again, and with a good catalyst, this could skyrocket. So first of all, what is BNZI International and what do they do? BNZI International is a leading marketing company that provides essential marketing and sales solutions. BNZI develops essential marketing solutions for companies that want to grow faster. Now, in terms of size, this Nasdaq traded microcap company is one of the smallest Nasdaq companies that I have ever talked about on the channel. But they have an incredible list of customers that include some of the world's largest companies from various industries such as software, technology, healthcare, and finance. And BNZI has a number of pretty cool marketing products that they are able to market to these customers. And like I have said time and time again when talking about other companies such as SoFi or even Palantir, when a business can cross-sell products to existing customers, they are onto a winner. It basically means that a company can ramp up revenues without additional spending. So let's look at what products BNZI have to offer. Curate, which offers an AI-powered newsletter that can write itself. This is for busy professionals and brands who want to grow their audience effortlessly. Reach, which uses AI to identify and reach a target audience easily. This can be used to invite a qualified audience to download your white paper, take a survey, attend an event, or subscribe to a newsletter. Demio is BNZI's webinar product program, and this is probably one of their most popular products, which can create engaging on-demand and live video experiences with webinar analytics to unlock useful insights. And Boost, to expand audience reach and invent resignations through customizable promotional content. Now, BNZI have had some pretty big announcements lately, but before we look at that, let's take a quick look at the most recent investors presentation. We can see here that the global MarTech market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 18.5%, reaching 1.7 trillion by 2032. So it's clear that this is a huge addressable market. And BNZI aims to be able to provide an integrated platform of AI-powered MarTech solutions through its suite of products. And the customer count is increasing rapidly. Demio, the AI-powered webinar platform, added over 1,400 customers in 2024. And these include major Fortune 500 companies such as Microsoft, Square, and Cisco, as well as other massive world-leading companies such as CrowdStrike, Adobe, and Thermo Fisher. These are the sort of companies that small microcaps can only dream of working with. And as it says here, there are thousands of these, thousands of customers that rely on BNZI. Now, this is important. Over the past 2 weeks, BNZI has provided 2024 financial results, which include a $22.3 million increase to stockholder equity. Now, before I even look at this, a $22 million equity increase to a company that is currently trading at a market cap of only $6 million. So straight away here, there is a huge disparity between its valuation and its market cap. Usually we see companies where the market cap is far higher than its equity valuation, but when we see stocks where the market cap has fallen and the equity value has risen, this can be a strong indicator that a company is trading at a discount, or the company has been driven down far lower than it should be. In other words, this can provide a huge opportunity for a strong breakout move, or potentially a huge short squeeze under the right conditions. And we've seen a perfect example of this in recent days with MicroAlgo Inc., Nasdaq ticker MLGO. This stock has been driven down to only $1 in February, but on Monday the stock rallied up to nearly $20. These type of plays are very difficult to find, but they can be explosive when some positive news hits right. Anyways, back to BNZI. Not only has there been a $22 million increase to stockholder equity, but the company also provided preliminary unaudited revenue of $17.5 million for the year ended December 31st, 2024. Again, this is $17.5 million in revenue for a company that is valued at just $6 million. This is an increase of 285% from the prior year and exceeds the top end of companies' previously announced guidance of $10 million for the full year by a whopping 75%. Now, as well as providing management commentary on the full year outlook, the company also confirmed that it continues to make progress towards closing the acquisition of Acton Software Inc. The agreement for this acquisition was previously announced on January 23rd. BNZI signed an agreement to acquire Acton Software, growing revenue 152% to $44 million. Again, this not only adds a huge revenue stream to the company, but also adds clients like Hitachi, Best Buy, and Progressive Insurance, who utilize Acton to improve lead generation and increase sales pipeline. Now, this might be the biggest deal yet for BNZI International, and as I said at the start of this video, the right catalyst could send this stock flying. This acquisition alone is projected to increase revenue by $27 million for the 12-month period ending December 31st, 2025. The projected revenue from Acton alone is more than 3 times the company's current market cap. And this comes on top of the recent acquisition of Vidello, growing revenue 59% and adding $2 million in EBITDA. Now, this acquisition had been in the works for a couple of months, but it has finally been completed. The acquisition is expected to increase BNZI's revenue by $6.5 million and increase EBITDA by $2 million for the 12-month period ended December 31st, 2024. Again, this adds a lot of interesting products to BNZI's product list. Vidello's key offerings include Creative Studio, an award-winning video creation app, Photo Vibrance, a tool that transforms static images into moving motion pictures, Twinkle, an all-in-one audio platform, and Vidello itself, a 3-in-1 video hosting player and collaboration tool that has over 90,000 customers. It's worth noting that their flagship Create Studio product has been named a top 3 best ranked product in the video maker category by Capterra and a high performer by G2. Now guys, before we go any further, I just want to ask you what you want to see next. I didn't make many videos over the past few weeks, but I have a bit more time again now. But what do analysts think of BNZI International? Well, this is where it gets crazy. BNZI has a Wall Street consensus price target of $125, and this price target was set back in August by Ascendient Capital Markets, who actually had a previously even higher price target of $162. Now, the last thing I want to mention here is that the company does have an experienced team in place, such as CEO and founder Joe Davy. And according to Simply Wall Street, the ownership breakdown for this company is very interesting, with only 52% owned by the general public. You know I like to see when insiders own stock in a company, and according to this, the top shareholder is the CEO and founder, Joe Davy, but there is also 15% of the company owned by private companies and institutional investors. Judging by the ownership profile, this is a CEO who is really backing the company. And the CEO did state, in the third quarter of 2024, we achieved preliminary, unaudited, historic revenue in RR. and strong improvements from the second quarter in both ARR and adjusted net income. We are making significant progress against our annualized goals through our recently launched comprehensive initiative designed to significantly improve net income while maintaining our growth outlook. But guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts on BNZI in the comments below. Everything seems to be pointing towards a strong breakout move, but remember that I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, so I highly recommend you do more due diligence. But to learn more about BNZI International, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.